All right, so I just washed her, and that's about it. Just did a wash. And I don't have a bright enough LED light anymore. I'm gonna have to get one for you guys to see. Maybe I'll run over there and get a one from O'Reilly's right across the street. But we're gonna try to restore this paint a little. If you can see, here, some of it's come off, and then some of it's where the pinstriping was I took off. So we're gonna try to get rid of that line, get rid of some of this pinstriping, restore some of the paint. It is a 99. It's original paint, except for up front. That's been repainted when it got hit years and years back when it was new. So I'm gonna have some videos of what I'm using, and we are going to start off with, by the way, I normally use all Sudz products. I really like Sudz. All the years of detailing I've enjoyed Sudz. No, I am not a professional detailer. Before someone freaks out and yells at me for calling a waffle towel a microfiber towel. So just so you're warned, you don't get butt hurt. But yes, I've done detailing for companies and different stuff, and of course, you know, had them coaching me in different things. But am I perfect at it? No. Do I have more to learn? Yes. So I'm going to be using the Delete from Sudz, which is awesome. It's a swirl and defect remover. And we're going to use it with the hex style pad here, waffle cone, whatever you want to call it. We're going to use this, and it's a little bit firmer, so it's good for cutting into the paint. Just going to cut a little bit, and then once that's done, going to wipe that down. Well, first I'm actually going to clay bar it. So I'm actually going to clay bar first because I haven't done that in like 2 years. And then I'm going to use Revive to polish it up. I'm going to use the Illuminate hybrid wax, which will be a good sealant and wax, and then the polish to go on top of it. Usually generally turns out pretty good. I have some better products from Sudz up here that are newer, but I'm the kind of guy I like to finish the stuff I have first before I even get into that. So that stuff, from what he said, is actually better, but I'm not going to mess with it yet till I'm done with this stuff. So yeah, I'm going to make a video here. A few people have been asking about a washing video detailing. We're going to do both the CRVs this weekend, and I'll have some footage and just drop it all together. Nothing crazy special, but we'll just see how it turns out. Alright guys, so sorry earlier. I didn't get any of the footage while we were doing this just because we were so focused on this, and plus the kids were running around. So if you guys really want a video of me actually like seeing me do the detail and stuff like that, let me know. I don't mind doing it. But I figured you guys would like to see the end results for sure. So if you look at it, I mean, this is probably the best I have ever had it look since I've owned it. Lifted, lowered, anything. And the camera doesn't even do it justice. Unfortunately, I got distracted. My daughter was asking me a question, and I was getting this long scratch out of there. I was really happy about it. And the corner was hitting there and burning the paint, and I didn't even realize it. So one of them things, guys, you know, it's a 99, it's old. I don't think I'm going to repaint it. To be honest, the paint's in pretty good shape for being a 99. So it is what it is. Like I said, the Prelude is my main focus. Normally, if I were to really fully do a detail, I'd be jacking up, pull the wheels off. I would put tape in the cracks so I didn't rip up my buffer pad and get it in there. And you know, I didn't do that with this, but I did do a lot of attention detail, but not as far as I would go with that one over there. Once that's repainted, that thing's gonna get royal treatment. But this is my good little daily driver. Let's go in closer. You can see the paint. See if you can. It's so sunny out now. I don't know if this is even gonna catch on camera. Everything is just so, it's hot as hell right now. We did it in the garage, thank goodness. But yeah, I don't know if you guys are gonna see that. But I mean, for a 99 original paint, I even got most of the pinstriping marks out. I mean, there's still somewhere it's sunk into the paint. I got the mirrors looking shinier than they've ever looked. So yeah, it turned out good. We'll check out the interior and I'll show you the engine bay. I even did that too. So my wife helped me, my daughter helped me. Turned out great. It was a lot of fun, a lot of work. I used to do this stuff all the time before my back got worse, and now it takes a little bit longer and more time, but they needed it. Next is that one tomorrow. That thing needs it bad. There's the engine bay. Still got that sticker I gotta get off, but yeah, that's it, guys. Full detail on it. Turned out good.